Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 things I wish I had and knew when I first started with resin. Now before I get into this video, I just want to mention that this isn't me telling you what to do or what products you have to use while crafting with resin. The purpose of this video is just me sharing with you things that's helped me on my resin crafting journey. Once you guys are done watching this video, then please comment down below something that's helped you on your resin crafting journey so then we can all learn from each other. So number 1, wearing old clothes while crafting with resin. Now I know this one's pretty obvious, but when I first started with resin, I was pretty oblivious and I've ruined quite a few pairs of pants and shirts because I didn't want to change because I thought that what I was doing would be quick and simple. Well, I was wrong, and once you get resin in your clothes, that's it. You can't get it out. Number 2, needle tip bottles for filling shakers. Now this is my number 1 tip that I share whenever I get asked for tips. Not only do these bottles hold more oil to fill shakers, but they also don't break as easily as syringes. Plus the needle part isn't sharp, it's flat. And you guys don't want to know how many times I've hurt myself using the syringes that they were sending us in the elves boxes. Thankfully now they send us these bottles. One downside to these bottles is that the middle part right here is a bit thicker, so the hole you make in your resin piece has to be bigger. Number 3, baby wipes for cleaning up resin spills or resin off my hands. Now as a mom of 2, I always have baby wipes on hand, and it was a great surprise to find out that they're great at cleaning up resin spills off your work surface or cleaning up any resin off of your hands. Now I've tried other branded baby wipes, but Huggies is the one that cleans the best, in my opinion. Number 4, clear plastic Tupperware to keep dust particles out. Now it doesn't have to be Tupperware, it could be any type of container or box, but I like the Tupperware from Dollar Tree. Not only are they cheap, I get 3 for $1.25, but they also nestle nicely when I'm not using them. I also recommend the container being transparent. That way you can keep an eye on your piece without having to constantly keep uncovering it to check it. And lastly, number 5, latex for doming. If you don't know about the latex hack, then be sure to check out the video here or here where I explain and show you in more depth. But basically, it helps protect the opposite side of your resin piece from overspill when you're doming. Resin doesn't bond with latex, and since learning about this hack, a lot, and I mean a lot less of my resin pieces end up in the trash. One downside of the latex hack is that there are people allergic to latex, but I've heard that school glue or wood glue works the same, so there is an alternative. Oh, and speaking of doming, another thing that's really helped me out with resin, I guess you can call this a bonus tip, is a doming mat. These are actually kitchen silicone heat pads, but these little honeycomb cavities are perfect for overspilt resin to go into instead of pooling around and ruining your resin piece. Best part is that once the resin is cured, it pops right out. Well guys, there you have it. My top 5, well actually my top 6 things that's helped me with my resin crafts. If you've learned anything from this video, then please give it a thumbs up and be sure to share it with a fellow resin crafter. And don't forget to comment down below something that's helped you with your resin crafts so we can all learn and help each other out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!